Hey everybody, out taking a walk here in the rain, kind of stupid, but I enjoy walks. I don't drive, so I'm out walking a decent amount. I'll take 2 to 3 hour walks at a time. Frees up the mind, but figured I'd show everybody a little preserve in Master Peak where I like to walk in. Nice little lake here, some rocks, water. There's the other side. It's coming down pretty heavy. This wasn't too bright, but gotta get some use out of this new camera. Been doing a lot of work over here. I don't know exactly what they're doing, but it's been pretty busy on the dry days. There's some woods paths right there I'll occasionally walk down. I'm sure this is a fascinating video. There's one of the mounds of dirt. Another nice shot of the pond here. Lake, whatever. Yeah, they ripped most of this out too. It's a nice area in here. It's a nice, pretty big preserve. Goes from the south shore all the way up to the north shore. Mountain. Go down there. Look at it. Got a lot of paths here to the backwoods, even though there's like houses 50 feet from here. There's a bridge here. Bridge here. Oh yeah, it's starting to come down there. Summer is the time to be stupid, and I'm doing just that. Nice little area right here. Umbrella shot. A little predicament. Alright, I'm going to turn this off now. It's come down pretty heavy. I think I got a mark on the lens here. Alright everybody, have a good day. Thanks for checking it out.